We're analyzing together super microcomputers. Look at that, plus 32%. What's going on, Enrique?
Yeah, what's going on? First of all, read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. And guys, if you know what's going on, please let us know in the comments because we don't have any idea about what's going on except that we have breaking news about this stock. And we can see right here, let's open the key facts today. And here in TradingView, you can see Supermicrocomputer Inc. appointed BDO USA as auditor and submitted a compliant plan to NASDAQ after missing financial report deadlines. Search shorts as the company addresses overdue filing. So apparently they found that auditor that they needed, and the investors reacted in a very positive way, as we can see the price right now.
Yeah, the thing here is like at the beginning, the people were like investors were super pessimistic in that sense. You know, it's like they didn't get the compliance in time, so obviously they could be delisted, and that was the trend. You know, but right now, after appointing this BDO, you know, USA. If they manage to convince the Nasdaq exchange to remain on Nasdaq and wait for to get the you know the pending compliance, they could avoid being delisted, and that's super very positive in that sense. And obviously the company, if you think about it, according to the financial data, if there is like nothing bad management or something like that, the company is in positive territory in terms of net income. So two possible scenarios right here in terms of the auditor after the auditor.
It's very interesting. I'm reading here. I've been seeing a piece of news. I'm going to read it very fast. Supermicro announced late Monday that its audit committee appointed BDO USA, as we mentioned, as its independent auditor, effective immediately. And BDO is a member firm of BDO International, one of the world's top 5 accounting firms networks. So this is important to take into account. And also, the president and CEO of Supermicro, Charles Liang, this is an important next step to bring our financial statements current, an effort we are pursuing with both diligence and urgency. So maybe investors, well, of course, investors took this in a positive way because you can see the price reaction in the chart. And we were talking about this in previous videos also. Remember, SMCI was trading during March of this year around $120. And from there, we had this correction till current prices. More than 85% to the lower side. To current prices, we're talking about a correction of more than 75%. The thing is, if those, Starboard mentioned, if the earnings at the end are okay and the company doesn't have, bigger problems as they were expected, because, this company wasn't in the best financial situation, but the results were as expected, so the start of this decline could be maybe overhyped due to that bad news with the auditor and all that situation. If that is reversed, we could see the stock reaching again those past levels. That's a question that I have for you. Do you think this is possible, guys, or not? Or maybe do you think the opposite, like this is a movement of hype, like they are in the good situation again, and we see a reverse in the price? Because in trading, remember, everything is possible, and we don't know the future. We have to be prepared for everything.
Yeah, so here the thing is like buy the rumors, as they say. I think investors are buying the rumor right now because if it comes true, and if it comes to reality, the stock is gonna skyrocket. Because look at the latest quarter, the reporting was 0.75. That's actually the real number. And it's the best results ever in the company. So at that time in March 2024, the EPS was lower. It was 0.65 and it was trading at $123. So obviously this EPS of 0.75 is to the skyrocket, according to this data.
Yeah, it's very interesting. So we will keep you updated. If you have more information, please share it with us. Right now, we can see the price. How is it going? Let's go to the 1 minute time frame to see that price action right there. A lot of volume being traded, during this last moment. As you can see, the spikes to the upper part, to the lower side. But at the end, if we go back to the 1 hour time frame, we can see the market reacted in a positive way, because we are talking since that levels of $17 more or less, the price was skyrocketed more than 70% if we take into account the highest point, and to the current price, well, we're recording this, more than 60%. So key question right now, guys, do you think this movement will continue and SMCI was an opportunity at these lower prices, or do you think like this is just a reverse in the price that is going to happen and we will see lower prices again? How do you see opportunity or trap? Let us know in the comments below. Trading HT, honest traders, let's go.
Subscribe.